Good morning, everyone. This is the West Volusia's Hospital. This is not our hospital, this is your hospital.
Halifax, are we ready to have a party? Let's have a party. Okay, two. My friend Kaylin is here. Go. There we go. Hey, skip my little.
Hello, I'm Andrea Huffman, Radiology Manager at Halifax Health. I've been at Halifax for almost 20 years now. Halifax Health, UF Health Medical Center of Deltona has over $30 million of life-saving technology. In radiology, we have the Siemens Magnetome Sola, which is the first installed in Florida. This provides a lot of artificial intelligence, which helps us provide faster diagnosis and more efficient care for our patients. Also, our radiology department, we have a Canon Infinix Universal Lab. This room allows for cardiologists, vascular surgeons, radiologists all to work together in the same room to provide more efficient, better care for our patients here at Halifax Health, UF Health Medical Center of Deltona.
Hi, my name is David Allison and I'm with Canon Medical Systems. I'm here at Halifax Medical Center's new Deltona site, new hospital. And we're excited because the hospital placed in the first dual plane Infinix lab, interventional lab in the state of Florida. This is a high technology lab and they did a thorough evaluation of this, loved the technology, and it was going to bring a lot of clinical benefits to Florida and to the health system. First of all, what this lab does is allows you to utilize both cardiology procedures and interventional radiology procedures in the same suite. And the benefit of that is there's no compromise. Normally, it would require two separate labs, but this combined combo lab allows two C-arms in the same suite, giving the cardiologist the best image quality possible and a smaller detector, and then the vascular folks, the peripheral vascular folks, a larger detector, giving them the best possible image quality. So the benefit comes to the patient. I'm from Sarasota, Florida, and this technology in Florida is a great benefit not only to the health system, but me as a possible patient and the general community. Working with Dr. Steve Miles and the staff, this was an excellent choice and it's going to be a great event for everyone. One other thing I'd like to point out, this technology is leading edge, and Halifax is right on the cuff, right on the very edge with it. This technology is the best in the market and really shows the dedication of Halifax to bringing the best technology with the best benefits to its patient population.
Hi, my name is Jacob Naguib. I am the Director of Planning, Design, and Construction at Halifax Health. I have been with Halifax for the past 25 years, and I was honored to be involved in the design and construction of the medical center in the city of Deltona. Basically, the medical center of Deltona is very unique, and it is what we call high efficiency lean concept design. Some of the characteristic of the high efficiency lean concept design is the fact that The flow process and the services are very quick, and there is no wasting time to look for where you need to be. From the minute you enter the facility, it is so easy to find where you are supposed to receive services. We have thought of that very, very hard and came up with the linear design. So all the movement within the hospital are linear, so you go from one end to the other. That is one characteristic. And then the second characteristic, and it's very important, is there is no fragmented services within this hospital. All the services are congregated in one area as it pertains to the service that you need to receive. For example, the second floor are all the procedures, surgeries, and semi-invasive and invasive procedures. So you don't have to move from the second floor. There is one common area, and from there you get to go to the area that you will be prepared to receive your services. We feel that this is very unique and it is very efficient, and we continued with that as you go to the patient room. Patient room is fully integrated. That means that the nurse walks into that room and everything that the nurse might need is within the room, so she does not have to leave the room back and forth. We feel that is not only unique and efficient, but we feel that this is designed with the patient in mind. Some of the ideas that we implemented obviously came from the clinicians, that they have been so involved in this, and they showed us the way how we can make this efficient, fast, and patient-friendly. Also, another factor that very obvious is that you will never be alone in this hospital. There is always human contact. From your room, you can contact each and everybody that you might need to communicate with. Our surgery suite on the second floor is fully integrated by the same ideas that we have for the patient room.
Hi, I'm John Guthrie, Vice President of Marketing for Halifax Health, UF Health Medical Center of Deltona. We are here today, February 1st, so that we can give a peek at some of the most advanced technology, compassionate, caring individuals that we are bringing to the west side of Volusia County. When Deltona asked us to come here, we were pleased because we focus on providing for the needs of our citizens. Today is a great day for us, a great day for Deltona, a great day for West Volusia, because we are having the opportunity to share what we love and our passion, which is taking care of people. No matter who they are, no matter where they're from, we are committed. Halifax Health and UF Health, excellence united.